Individuals needing to put resources into digital currencies could think purchasing a coin requires truckload of cash. The high worth of coins like Bitcoin and Ether could make it unthinkable for new amateurs to purchase crypto coins. By and by, there are different coins that you can find at a worth of under $1. However, these coins could have an ostensible worth. They may be worth very much more later on. Not at all like Bitcoin and Ether. You can purchase these coins in enormous amounts. Hence, even a little change in the cost can assist you with getting an ideal profit from your speculation. In 2020, the DeFi token, AMP, is supposed to fundamentally affect the worldwide economy. In addition to the fact that it is a computerized token, yet it likewise goes about as an installment entryway for clients on the Flexo organization. Not at all like other cryptographic forms of money. It is viewed as a class separated because of its starting point and execution. AMP outline. AMP is a kind of cryptographic money with unexpected usefulness in comparison to different coins on the lookout. It goes about as guarantee, and the Flexo organization involves the digital money for its help. The coin can prove to be useful to cover the monetary exchanges that can turn out badly. AMP teams up with other specialist co-ops like CoinGecko, Sushi, Gemini, and that's just the beginning. At first, the improvement group of Flexo organization chose to send off a token called FlexiCoin. Yet, it went to deliver the AMP coin in 2020, as a few specialized issues were coming in the method of FlexiCoin send-off. On January 7, 2022, AMP was recorded on Bitstamp. It opened up on Vault, a monetary administration stage that permits clients to exchange, get, and save utilizing digital currencies. Tragically, the organization's supervisory group experienced monetary difficulties. As indicated by the AMP site, getting different sorts of resources, for example, computerized installments and advanced distributions, can be utilized. It can likewise be utilized to ensure the exchanges that are made on the stage. In spite of the underlying cost of AMP being high, it has since tumbled to under 60%. This doesn't imply that it's a terrible venture or an awful token. Today, the AMP cost is $0.003422. It has a 24-hour exchanging volume of more than $3,417,970. As of now, the digital money has lost 7.21%. Its ongoing business sector cap is $144,514,390. And it has a coursing supply of over 42,227,701,186 units. While the coin's worth isn't excessively high, an ideal decision for individuals need to begin with a limited quantity of cash. Crypto coins are without a doubt a hazardous market. Yet it offers incredible revisitations of financial backers. Thus, coins like AMP are great for individuals who need to put resources into crypto with insignificant speculation. How about we go over the future cost expectation for the AMP coin? Notwithstanding, it is crucial to comprehend that the venture choices you make shouldn't just be founded on the cost forecast examination. These will give you a concise thought in regards to how the coin cost might work out from now on. AMP value expectation 2023. The different cost forecast apparatuses demonstrate that the typical exchanging cost will remain around the $0.020 mark in 2023. According to our investigation, the typical exchanging cost of the AMP coin will probably be between $0.014 to $0.015. In the event that the market feelings are good, the AMP coin's cost can go as high as $0.016. On the other side, in the event that the market keeps on remaining negative, the least cost of the coin can slip to $0.0135. 2023 may be a decent year for the crypto market, as we hope to see a few principles and guidelines for digital currencies. New guidelines will give a lot more secure environment to individuals hoping to enter the crypto market, alongside different advantages. Above all, it will likewise diminish the unpredictability on the lookout. In any case, these things are still being worked on and could happen sometime. In this way, for the present, the unpredictability will keep on remaining in the crypto markets. Financial backers ought to zero in on exploring more about AMP coin and the market patterns to figure out the effect on its cost. AMP value expectation 2024. The first and second quarters of 2024 will choose where the cost will arrive at before the year is over. Specialists have an inspirational perspective for the AMP coin's cost as the cryptographic money reception rate increments. In any case, individuals needing to put resources into AMP ought to likewise watch out for the always showing signs of change crypto market elements. Since there are no proportions or execution measurements, the most effective way to decide the conceivable coin cost is by watching the economic situations. The quick and solid nature of the AMP environment is supposed to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. This could permit it to acquire a cost of 11 cents per coin. In the event that the interest for useful digital currencies keeps on rising, the cost of AMP may likewise go up, as per the organization's cost expectation for 2023. Creating a gain from putting resources into the cryptocurrency is conceivable. AMP value expectation 2025. On the off chance that digital forms of money become a critical piece of the monetary framework, it will assist the AMP with begettings worth to increment in 2025. Many organizations have a guide to acknowledge crypto coins as a method of installment for their labor and products. Besides, the job of the metaverse and computerized resources will likewise influence the crypto market. There are different hypotheses about the eventual fate of AMP, albeit the mechanical progressions that the organization has been working on are supposed to decidedly affect digital currency. It's as yet conceivable to foresee that it will reach 14 cents. The fundamental factors that have added to the cost of AMP are its adaptability and security highlights. The group behind AMP has made a special and strong framework that is equipped for dealing with various kinds of exchanges. Over the course of the following several years, the digital currency is supposed to acquire a lot of significant worth and arrive at a greatest cost of 17 cents in 2025. We saw a blast in the costs of different digital currencies, including AMP. Because of the great notoriety of NFTs, clients can buy these advanced resources through digital currencies. On the off chance that more developments like these come up by 2025, there is plausible that crypto coins like the AMP can see a critical expansion in their worth. AMP long haul estimate 2030. At the point when we discuss AMP coins drawn out estimate for 2030, financial backers should comprehend that it's trying to anticipate a precise cost gauge. The crypto market has a rundown of unstable variables that can affect the coin's worth, and thus, the cost relies heavily on how these elements will turn out in 2030. By the by, we have dissected the cost expectations from different man-made intelligence-controlled devices. The market is supposed to turn ideal in the following several years, and it's feasible to foresee that the cost of AMP will increment essentially. This will permit the digital money to break all obstructions and arrive at another high. AMP can be remembered for a financial backer's portfolio because of its anticipated cost increment. The cryptographic money's strong savvy contracts are likewise expected to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. It's feasible to expect its cost to reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Rather than zeroing in on the transient venture, specialists in the field of digital currency like to zero in on the drawn-out objectives. With a touch of persistence and a serious level of idealism, financial backers can expect a circle back in the drawn-out worth of AMP by 2027. As the reception of cryptographic money keeps on developing, it's normal that it will end up being a huge player on the lookout. It's likewise prescribed to sell or purchase AMP at the ongoing cost level to expand your benefit. Since additional individuals are exchanging it, they will have an advantage in the market. AMP value